Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video I will give you some tips and tricks on how to draw a nose. Watch the full video to know each step. At the end of the video I have got a new recommendation for you, or you can say I will recommend you a new sketching channel which will help you a lot. So watch the video thoroughly. The first thing every person should note about is observation. How you observe the nose and divide it into basic structural forms. As per my observation, I have cut the nose in the form of tie. Draw a tie in a 3D shape. After finishing with it, you can observe the nose consists of 4 planes: top plane, bottom plane and 2 side faced. Give proper shape for the planes and start drawing on those planes. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's move towards the steps. Step 1. Connect the nose to forehead and eye socket. Step 2. Drawing the nostrils. The shape is never perfect oval. Step 3. Dark accents. Dark the regions where shadow occurs. Step 4. Half tones. Give proper toning for the nose to make it look correct. Step 5. Highlights and details. Follow these steps to draw a nose in a proper way. I have got a friend who posts some awesome sketching videos on his YouTube channel. All of the drawings are done using pen. I have given the link in the description. Don't forget to watch his videos and subscribe to his channel. The name of his channel is Artistic Creation. You will get to learn more tips and tricks on how to draw any sketch using pen. So must go through it. And here we have ended with our video. Thank you and keep practicing.